So I really want you to, I don't want you to feel overwhelmed by options. That actually happens a lot in mathematics, and then you're kind of like, but I could totally use that -1 to kill those. Or I could use, now watch this. I could use that 3 to kill that, and let's see what happens, because I'm not going to, you never have to make fractions show up. Never. So let's do this, and I want to show you why I just said what I just said. -3 times row 2. So what's -3 times 0?
0.
That's amazing. -3 times 3? -9. -3 times -1? 3. Yes, that's right. -3 times 5? -15. I like it. So then we'll do what we said we're going to do. 0 plus 0 is 0. -9 plus 9 is 0. 3 minus 16, -13. -15 plus 57, so 57 minus 15, 42. So the middle row is still 0, 3, -1, 5, and the top row is just like, what the shit are you guys doing? Just hanging out. Now, I guess I am going to...
Isn't there supposed to be a -8 at the top row?
Yes, thank you. Oh, that would so suck. Good catch. Now, I am going to... let's see if you guys are cool with this. The reason I try to tell you to do column and finish it before you move somewhere else is so you don't lose zeros. If you start bouncing between all the columns, you're almost always, it's going to be like the whack-a-mole thing. You're going to have a 0 and then it's going to be gone. And you're going to have a 0 and then the other one's going to be gone. You're like, ah! But I'm about to break that rule because something really nice is about to happen. What's maybe not believable but true about 13 and 42? 13 goes into 42. How many times? Or does it? What should it be, Jeff? It should be 52. That sucks. All right. This is always the best time. Yeah, 13 times 4 is 52. And what do we know the answer is supposed to be? It's supposed to be -3 there, Jeff. So let's see.
Ooh, you messed up.
Obviously. So let's see. Where did things happen wrong? Let's see. Pretty sure that this was correct from the beginning. Yeah, that's right.
How did you?
4. Oh, that's.
Why did you figure the equation out with the wrong?
So again?
How did you figure out the equation when you had the wrong?
Like, how'd you get those answers?
Yeah.
Not even
So
solving.
we did this before together,
Yeah.
right? Where you pick what the answer is going to be. So for example, why is that -8? Because -2 plus 1 is -1. Minus 6, Jeff, right there should be -7. Yeah, all right. I love it. I love it.
That's not.
Yeah.
So the method that we did on the paper yesterday, it's like this, so we do either or.
You're going to have to be able to do both. And now, everybody listen. I always hate when I create a problem. I should have taken one out of the book. So I made a problem and I have a little mistake. The nice thing with quizzes and tests, like I said, are I actually have a way to check those out. Technology can check those out for me to make sure I didn't leave a negative out or something. So you're not going to be in the middle of a test and have something that just show up, right? So try to salvage this a little bit. Everybody's looking at the clock. Do you guys understand that I just put the wrong number there?
Yeah.
All right. And I am really good at math, but I'm still human. So I'm going to make mistakes, and I'm the first person to own that shit. But do you guys, we can't go, to try to fix the mistake would take a lot of changes right now, okay? So, but do you guys see the idea of how to do this?
Yes.
So, and to keep yourself straight, like I said, you don't want to try to bounce around. Like from the beginning, you wouldn't say, let me make a 0 here, and then let me kill this guy. You don't want to do that because eventually you're going to have a 0 that's going to get lost. when you try to kill something else. So that's why I say start with a column, go to another column. What should have happened here, if I would have put the right number down, is this should have gone in evenly. And then I could have used this one to kill that and to kill that. So pretty much once you get a row done, I like to call that one you end up with a laser, right? Because what's a laser do if you're trying to kill a tumor in your brain? It only kills the tumor. It doesn't kill the brain, thankfully, right? So here, these zeros would not have screwed with anything else. That would have just been like a laser killing the parts I don't want. So I like that idea. If I would have written the right numbers on it. All right. So hopefully you can forgive me. Even if you don't, it doesn't matter. I'm still a teacher. But next time, we got that quiz first. I've got a handout I'm going to give out next time with a worked out example of these matrices, though, 3 by 3. That's what I said. First is the quiz on Monday.
Is that just substitution elimination?
Say again?
Just substitution elimination?
The quiz, remember, is from section 3.7 to 4.3. Say again? There's a quiz Monday. There's a test Wednesday. Yes. So I can give the quiz back on Tuesday, so you can make corrections and use it to study for the test that happens Wednesday. So also Monday I'll have the practice test, just like before. 3.7 to 4.